kids be. Today I have a recipe for a very good fruit salad. What you will need is 3 or 4 strawberries, a few blueberries, a lemon or a lime, and some honey. What you're going to do is you're going to cut off the stem of the strawberries. I've already done that on 2 of them. You can use a plastic knife just like me when you're cutting the strawberries. Now cut the strawberries in half and into little pieces. I'm almost done cutting. Now that you have your strawberries cutted, you're going to put them in the bowl. And you're going to put 2 or 3 blueberries in. You're going to squeeze some lemon or lime juice on there. And then you're going to put a couple drops of honey. Let's stir it now. Now we can try it. It's really good. I hope you guys try it at home.